Hi friends, welcome to our output channel. I have created in Python JSON to how to use the JSON dumps. Means it is a dictionary to JSON format conversion. For example, if we are using any single quotations or double quotations, if in case we are using the single quotation, it should be converting into the double quotation. Means it is converting as a JSON object. Okay, you can see here dictionary means that's the key and the value. You should be having the two things is there, that is the key and value. This is the JSON. First we can assign that is the import JSON. This is the JSON is the package. See here JSON dot dumps. This is the JSON. This is the dumps is the function. This is the object of the function. That is here you can pass that parameter, that is the dict parameter. For example, I have used here that is the single quotation. In drama I have this is the single quotation. See what happened now. Go to the command line prompt. See here, I'm trying to run that function. See here, what happened here in my code. I wrote the here, that is the single quotation, but it should be converting into the, here is the single quotation, but it is converting into the double quotation. See here, this is the double quotation. It is a double quotation. Means this is the JSON object.